Hello everyone, I am Ghulam Abbas. One of the most important factor of any website is speed, and mostly many people who are uploading images into their website, they are not compressing the images. That brings to the speed problem. So apparently the next generation of images for the web pages is called Webp. You don't have to use JPG, PNG or any other format. In fact, when you use the Webp format, it is going to reduce the amount of the image quite significantly. And in fact, you are not going to lose quality at all. So if you are using WordPress website, then you must certainly upload Webp images into your website. Or if you are not uploading Webp images on your website, then you must certainly convert the JPG or PNG formats into the Webp. That brings us to the plugin. There are multiple plugins that you can use to configure or convert the JPG or PNG images into your website into Webp. Apparently, the plugin that I am using, that is called Imagify, which is not free, but it is good enough for me to do the job because my website is not very huge, and apparently the images that I am uploading here are not also a lot. So mostly this website is about small products and about uploading some basic articles. That's all. There is not going to be I'm not going to be uploading a lot of images, so that's why I'm going to use the Imagify free version. In case your website is huge, then you must purchase a premium option of this plugin that is required. So how the plugin looks, let's go ahead and start with installing it, which I have already installed it. In any case, Imagify. Apparently this is how the plugin looks. There are also other plugins that you can use. You have to find and test them yourself. So after installing, you need to activate the plugin. Okay, once it is activated, apparently you need to sign up in order to basically get the API and then configure it into your website. Click on sign up, enter your email address. Okay, I have to enter that one. Click sign up. Okay, the account has been created. Now I have to check the email address. I also need to check the spam directory. Okay, that has just arrived. Imagify. Click on it. Apparently here is the API key. You have to copy that. And now into your website, click on I have the API, click continue. Okay, everything has been set up except the settings. You can access that from here, or you can access the settings from here, Imagify. However you're comfortable, you can access the settings the way you want it. So there are the default settings that you can have a look here. So here you can see it is written create Webp version of images, display images in Webp format on this site, which is basically clearly into Sundrop.pk, and resize the images. You can also enter the amount of size here. It is up to you. You can configure them, and these are the thumbnail sizes. Okay, for now there is not much settings that needs to be done. Okay, yeah, there is not a lot of settings that must be done. Yeah, everything is set up and good to go for now. Just click save changes and you are okay. So for example, let's just go ahead and upload an image inside this website and check out the result, whether it is compressing the image or no. Go to the library or images, that does not matter. It is up to you. Click on upload or add new. Let's upload this cute baby that I have on my computer and check it out, the result, what happens. Okay, this is the image. The size is around 124 KB and dimension is okay. Dimension is not the issue. For now you can see that the Imagify is optimizing the image, and I think it's going to take quite a bit of time, but once you configured it, once it started working, then you are not going to face any issue at all. Apparently when I had my other website IntoZoom.com, which I sold it the other day, right now when I configured Imagify, it automatically started optimizing the images one after another. So I think it's going to take a bit of time. For now I have to pause the video and check. Once it's done, I will provide you the result of these option. Apparently you can see that it has optimized the images. So yeah, new file size is 47 KB. The original was 124 KB and the new is 47.90 KB. So you can see the differences between the images, how it has compressed. Now you can, from here you can also compare the differences between the original and the compressed version. So here you can see that in the left side there is the original, and the on the right side here you can see that is the optimized version. I don't think I can notice a lot of differences here, which is quite good. In fact, when you test your website speed on the I don't remember the name, Google, okay, light speed, I think, Google site, yeah, Google page speed, I forgot that one. That is Google page speed. In fact, when you basically enter your URL here, they are recommending that you need to use the next version of the images, which is Webp. So you get the idea that it is really important to always use Webp images on your website. In fact, if you visit websites such as Business Insider, there you will see that the images, they have converted their images from let's open it into the new tab. Here you can see that this is Webp. Not just this website, but almost every blogging website that I visited over the past week, they have converted their images entirely. So it is time for you to convert your images too. It is really important to do. So also, please tell me if you have another plugin beside Imagify that you are using and it is a better solution, it is a lot cheaper compared to Imagify. Let me know in the comment section. I will be delighted to use that on my websites. So have a nice day, goodbye, and I will meet you guys in the next video.